Grammar. The present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense is used to talking about actions that started in the past and are still happening in the present or have just finished with a visible result. Structure positive. Subject plus have has plus being plus verb ing. I have been studying for 3 hours. She has been working since morning. Structure negative. Subject plus have has plus not plus being plus verb ing. Example: he has not been sleeping well. We haven't been waiting for long. Structure interrogative. Have, has plus subject plus being plus verb ing plus interrogative. Have you been feeling okay? Has she been practicing for the test?